What if there was a mysterious submarine deep in the ocean, belonging to a man who had abandoned the world and sought revenge? Today, we bring you 20,000 Leagues Under the Sea, a thrilling adventure written by Jules Verne. In this story, we'll explore the mysteries of the deep sea, encounter gigantic creatures, and uncover the secrets of the enigmatic Captain Nemo. So let's dive into this incredible journey. Chapter 1. The Mystery of the Sea. In 1866, rumors spread about a strange sea creature terrorizing ships. Many believe it to be a gigantic sea monster. To solve this mystery, a research expedition is launched aboard the USS Abraham Lincoln, carrying 3 key people. 1. Professor Pierre Aronnax, a French scientist and marine biologist. 2. Conseil, the professor's loyal assistant. 3. Ned Land, a fearless Canadian harpooner. As they set sail to hunt the creature, they finally encounter it, only to realize it is not a living monster, but a highly advanced submarine named Nautilus, commanded by the mysterious Captain Nemo. Chapter 2. The Journey on Nautilus. Captain Nemo takes the 3 men captive, declaring that they can never return to the surface world. However, he offers them something no man has ever seen before: a journey through the uncharted depths of the ocean. As they travel through the sea, they witness incredible sights: the ruins of Atlantis. Nemo claims that the lost city of Atlantis lies beneath the ocean. The South Pole, Nautilus becomes the first vessel to reach Antarctica through the underwater route. The giant squid attack. One night, Nautilus is attacked by massive sea creatures. Ned Land fights them off, but some of Nemo's crew are lost in the battle. Chapter 3. The Secrets of Captain Nemo. As the journey continues, Professor Aronnax realizes that Captain Nemo is no ordinary man. He has cut all ties with the surface world and lives entirely beneath the sea. He is brilliant yet tormented, a man fueled by vengeance. One day, Nautilus attacks a warship, sinking it without mercy. Captain Nemo watches as the ship goes down, revealing a deep hatred for the nations above. But why? What is he avenging? His past remains a mystery. Chapter 4. The Escape Plan. Ned Land, Professor Aronnax, and Conseil realize they cannot remain prisoners forever. They hatch a plan to escape when Nautilus nears land. But before they can act, they encounter another deadly threat: a massive whirlpool. As Nautilus is caught in the powerful vortex, Ned Land seizes the opportunity. The 3 men jump into a small lifeboat and manage to break free from the raging waters. Chapter 5. The Final Mystery. Finally, Aronnax, Conseil, and Ned Land wash ashore on an unknown land. But what happened to Captain Nemo and the Nautilus? Some say Nemo perished in the depths of the ocean. Others believe he still roams the sea, hidden from the world. His fate remains unknown, but one thing is certain: he chose the ocean as his eternal home. And that, my friends, was 20,000 Leagues Under the Sea, a breathtaking adventure that took us deep beneath the waves. If you enjoyed this story, check out our previous videos and don't forget to subscribe.